Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Winnie Ala binti Nordin. I will present speaking assessment 1, subject code UBI 1022. I choose physical or virtual learning. In this era of globalization, the learning that has been introduced is very numerous and extensive. Learning can be done in physical and virtual environment. This happens because of the availability of advanced technology that can be accessed to do virtual learning. This is common and often used to make it easier for anyone to learn remotely from an instructor. I will now turn the presentation over to my friends.
Thank you, Candidate A. My name is Nurul Damia from class Fiat 1. The topic of speaking today is, do you choose physical class or virtual class? In my opinion, physical class is better than virtual class because physical class is more suitable for students to learn. This is because students will be more focused and sensitive to learning the syllabus taught by their teachers. That is an advantage of physical class. Among them is discipline. Not every student can commit to one thing yet to say to be disciplined, as it is the crucial part. But many studies show that through physical classrooms, students tend to be more disciplined as they stick to so-called routine. Self-discipline is a must-have for every student to be a good learner. For example, waking up early, getting ready, and being punctual to attend the class. All simple acts are what matter to build discipline that will convert to real-life scenarios in the future. Second point is build students' character. Good character is what it takes to point out if the student has potential. As we know, in the classroom, we tend to socialize more with friends or even with the teachers. This builds our character to be more sociable, easy to approach, respect other people and others. Improving their motivation and engagement in the learning process are also one of the big contributors. By that, it will develop the passion and curiosity for learning.
Thank you, my friend. Now I will continue with this advantage of physical classes. Number 1 is it into the study time. There is always the risk of physical education taking too much of the student time and therefore affecting the grade in cases where the student cannot balance the two. Number 2 is requires extra effort. Physical education requires the student to invest extra effort in their schoolwork because they have to find a balance between academic work and the physical education demand. Number 3 is it's not mean for everyone. Like everything else, not everyone was cut out for physical education. Some people are natural about it while others will struggle to create a balance. Number 4, there is potential for bullying. There is always the risk of students being bullied in the field during physical education classes. Although the incident are few, they are usually very unfortunate if they occur. The last one is interferes with academic course load. Physical education will always come between the student academic work and the expectation of the sport. It requires the student to be disciplined enough to balance the two effectively.
In conclusion, we agree that physical class is better for students than virtual class because there are advantages for students to do learning well.